Alright. Get that green pun.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, you almost stepped on it.
Where is it?
It flew away right when you was stepped.
Hello. What is shaking? What's going on? How's everyone doing today? So we are about to go to the store. We're gonna go grab some stuff for some tie-dye fun today. And yeah, I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about this headband yet, but it's okay. And we're just gonna grab our gear and go to the store. So let's go to Target. Let's go Target some tie-dye stuff. Black Friday, you're sweet. We're gonna back up and reevaluate because I need these colors, blue and purple, but that's $10. That's $21. So we're gonna go to Target. Here, why don't you take this? Okay, so we found some like $3 shirts, and they're white, and so like they have like these. So we're gonna get this. Here we go. Ready? Wait, hold on. Let's jump with it in our hand, and we're gonna be in the backyard. No, we're back there. I don't want it here. We wasted like 40 of them.
You did not just do that.
We'll get them later. We can use them. We went to like 3 different stores trying to find tie-dye stuff, and it was very expensive. So we finally found some at Walmart. Let's just get the instructions out. We'll figure this out. Step number 1 is to set up the workspace. Check. Uh-oh, it says pre-wash fabric.
Mixed dye. Let's just go straight to
Okay,
that.
so here's the thing. It looks like we need to mix the dye. The first step is we're gonna carefully unscrew the top where all of the colorful magic is, and we're gonna add some water. It doesn't say how much water to add, so. Oh my gosh, I'm getting.
That seems like enough. That seems like enough.
Kelly, you gotta fill the whole bottle. Do you see all the? It's not even wet down there. Once you have the water filled, we are just gonna replace the cap. Do we shake it?
I don't know. Where's the direction?
I think we do.
Use full strength.
Full strength! Full strength! That's good. Oh my god, all over me, really? I don't have my gloves on yet.
Right.
Okay, this is really not, this is like a fail. This is not working. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the swirl effect. So we're just gonna twist. We're just gonna keep on twisting, and we're just gonna keep going. Then we're gonna just, then you see, I don't really know how to keep it going.
Yeah.
It looks weird. Like, okay, I don't know how you get the rubber band on it. Can they see?
I don't know. Why don't you ask them?
Hey,
Can y'all see?
I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
We got the wrong kind of shirt.
Yeah, we probably should have pre-washed it like they said. Here, oh my god, it's on my leg. Come over here and I'm gonna do it in the grass.
It's dripping everywhere.
Oh my god, that was so bad. Watch my technique, ready?
No, I can't see through your hands. Let me get it.
Watch my technique. You just gotta like marinate it. Oh my god, it's starting to look good. It's starting to look good, okay. Hold on. Okay, so like, so here we go. I think it's starting to work. This is not working. Oh my god, look at all that in the middle. This is gonna look ridiculous. Let me get some more orange. Okay, so I just want to show everyone, this is my final product for the first one. It might look really bad, but it's okay. So here's Caroline's attempt. Wait, hold on, I can't see. Don't move! I don't have to get your feet in it, because that's weird.
Ew, yeah, I don't get my feet in it.
Wait, we just moved really close to the ground. Oh! Just set it right there. Wow.
Alright, back to tie-dye.
Okay.
Ow! Uh-oh. Why did you just do that?
See, I don't want to like over cover the text mark thing. You know what I'm saying? Should I do like one of the things?
What do you mean?
Should I do it inside out? I've never even put this shirt on before.
No.
Well, I want to wear it in case it gets messed up. So I'm gonna be using purple and blue for this. God, now my head's being cut.
Fair.
Purple and blue for this part of the experiment. Oh my god, I'm doing it. I just forgot what I was doing for a second. I'm messing up
like
my
that's your shirt. I need you to turn. Give me a spin.
I think this is it.
Yeah, I really think you should stop because that's a lot of dye.
Well, wearing gloves obviously did not help because literally my hands are completely covered. So we're gonna check back with you in however long it takes to wash these. So it is apparently time to try and wash these out. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try to do like a little, this is nice. I'm gonna try to show you what I'm doing, but it probably won't matter because no one's using this as a tutorial anyway, but you know, I'm sharing my experience with you, so here we go. I feel like this is a potentially bad idea because my tripod's in the bathtub, but it's okay. So we're gonna take the rubber bands off. This is kind of it. This is kind of the big moment of truth. If it looks bad, then I'm just giving me like a lot of white spots in the middle, which I mean, maybe won't look bad, but at the same time, maybe it will. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sign me up. This is so good. This is literally way better than I expected. Okay. I can get with that. That's cute. Oh, this looks good. Okay. Good job, Carol. His is just kind of blue. Oh, there's a lot of white in his in the middle, I think. No, that's just the shirt. Oh, yeah, there's... I don't know if I like that. It's like really awkward. Like there's just so much color down at the bottom and then like literally at the top it's like not any. So that's kind of concerning because oh my god, okay. This shirt, okay, I have to fix this. My knee is literally grinding into the ground. This is the shirt that, oh no, I don't think this did really good. This is the shirt that inspired the video. I was gonna tag my TechSmart shirt. Oh my god, okay, it looks so good actually. Okay, literally Keaton, please see this. If you see this, hi. I told you I was gonna do this. Oh my god, let's turn it inside out so we can see how the TechSmart logo is looking. Uh-oh. You can't see the TechSmart logo. Literally, there it is. Maybe as I wash it that you can see it, but that's kind of bad. I even did it inside out, like so that you could. Okay, I'm just like upset and disappointed that you can't see it. It's game time, folks, and we're gonna wash these out. So get ready for maybe a catastrophe. I don't know. I've been filming for way too long. This video is gonna be trash. Oh, oh my god, what is going on? Oh, this is bad. This is why I did his shirt first. Like. Oh no! It's really pretty though, like aesthetic. Let me put this down for like a hot minute. And let me actually try for a minute. The poor TechSmart logo is just like gone. She's gone, fellas. Like, you can't even tell! Oh my gosh, this whole bathtub is like 370,000 colors. I'm thinking we're gonna do my dad's first. Here's why. Because I care. Here's why. Because I care the least about it and kind of isn't looking too great. I don't know. I mean, maybe it's just so colorful at the bottom and then there's just like this. I think this was a tie-dye fail. And ironically enough, this was the shirt we did last, which I don't understand how our skills degraded, but like, they did. So let's just go have a fun little trip, take a fun little journey into the washing machine. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And as always, I hope you have a great day and peace outie.